hospital yung sinasabi ni Baby Lee. Hi Baby Lee, if you're watching. Ito na siya, katapat nga lang siya ng hospital. Welcome to the new Airbnb here in Ampang. Welcome. Baby put our shoes there. We keep the floors clean. It's a light. Oh dear. Lovely. Ang ganda. Ayan. Saan ang ilaw dito? Yes. Ang ganda. Check, check, check. Ito yung ano. Tignan natin. Ay, ang ganda. May kitchen. At ito ang living room. Ang ganda niya. Ito naman yung bathroom. Mayroong stairs going up. Let's check it out. Mag-room tour muna tayo. Ang ganda guys. Wow. Wow. So ito yung next room. Let's open the lights. So that's one room here. Wow, may bathtub. May bathtub. Ang ganda. There's another room here. Maliit lang yung room niya. Ganda dali. Meron din siyang cabinets. Careful.
This is weird.
Dito naman kami ngayon sa Ampang. Maglalakad, mag-explore. Yun, Gleneagles, Kuala Lumpur Hospital. Maglalakad lang kami sa mall. Merong malapit na mall dito sa Novo Suites. Ang daming kainan guys. Ayun. Lalakad si Daddy.
What's new?
Dito na kami. Menara Great Eastern. I think that's the one, yeah. Malapit siyang ng mall. At tapos ayun lang yung yan lang yung Novotel, di ba? Nasa Novotel, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is the pinakamalapit na mall. Ayun ang mall nga. Nakalagay mall. Ayan siya, Great Eastern Mall. Malapit siya na mall dito sa Novo Suites. Okay, akyat tayo. Touch to begin. Wow. Food terrace. Ang ganda guys. Punta kami sa third floor. Kain kami. Gutom na si Manong. Ang ganda guys.
Yeah, but we were acting like we were pretty fast.
Ricardo. Ito na naman kami. Sa third floor kasi yung kainan. Kaya akit kami sa third floor. Ang ganda guys ng mall nila dito. Food court is closed, is it?
We went to Pai, but it's closed anyway.
Oh, yeah. Closed pala.
The
Guys.
terrace is closed.
Sarado naman pala yung food court. So kami kakain. Ganda ng mall nila dito. Ombe. Nice. Another restaurant here. Cozy House. So yan yung mga food niya. Cozy House. Try kami dito sa Cozy House. Strawberry.
Why not try some tea?
Wait, Amanda, like cheers. Fried chicken with lemon, buttered chicken, curry, and green sauce. Red. Why is that color like that? I don't know what kind of banana is that. Ganda ng shop nila dito. Laki ng watermelon. Look at this. Ang lalaki ng watermelon nila. Oh.
Like
Shopping. Shopping sila. Kuha na naman sila ng milk. May mga milk doon.
yeah.
Namili sila ng dairy. Okay.
Can we check for cereal or is that expensive? Ganda naman yung building ito. Nighttime sa Ampang. Kuala Lumpur. May Novo Suite sa Ampang. Ganda. Novotel yun. Novotel. We got barber shop.
Yeah, the burger. The burger, oh. May burger siya dito. Yun naman yung hospital. Clinigels, Kuala Lumpur.
Is all the rooms like two?
May ilaw-ilaw siya. Novotel, Novo Suites in Ampang. Papasok na kami dito sa aming bagong accommodation. Pasok lang. Ang ganda. Novo. Ang ganda ng kanyang entrance. Beautiful. Good morning from Novo Suites, Ampang, Kuala Lumpur. Ito naman yung swimming pool dito sa Novo Suites, dito sa Ampang. Infinity pool siya. Very nice.
Isn't this a crossing? Wait, is that the one in the show?
No.
Oh.
Walking here in Ampang, Kuala Lumpur. It's too hot today. Chloe's on a brolly. Buwak lang kami dito. Ampang, Kuala Lumpur. Ding ding ding. The beat. The sound from the car. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito sa neighborhood ng Ampang. Oh, may Starbucks siya dyan. Mainit siya ngayon kaya nakapayong kami. Kami lang naman ni Chloe. Village grocer din. Grocer here. Yeah, above it. We have to go up. So we're going to the barber shop. It's above the village grocer here in Masing. We'll see if we can find it. Shortcakes, aesthetics. Clinic. The Science. Hindi ba mga cafe dito? Hanapin pa namin yung barbershop na nakita ni Daddy sa... Nahanap na namin yung barbershop na gustong puntahan ni Daddy. Magpapagupit siya, mahaba na kasi yung buhok niya. So, ano sa dulo. Yun. Ayun na yung barbershop. He found it. He found a barbershop. Papagupit siya. Yan, Rich Colors. Magpapagupit si Daddy. Shop dito gusto magpagupit ni Daddy. Barbershop nila ito to sa may Masing, sa may Ampang. Sa taas lang ng village grocer. Dito magpapagupit din. Hi, Daddy. And then Charlie as well having a haircut. Bili. Thank you. Malapit na. Hindi ko pa na-video kanina, Charlie. Handsome boy. Here he comes. Yeah, handsome. You, sir.
New boy.
New boy. Okay, ikot. Oh, yeah. Handsome man. Handsome boy. Beautiful. Cooking omelets. Get this extractor pan. Bon appetit. Omelette for tonight.